So the last thing is this avocado and banana conditioner. Maize infused water. This is the blueprint. This is the blueprint for everything. So, you know, it has the oil, the avocado, the banana. You put it in your hair when you're taking a shower. Let it soak. Let it get all nice and creamy for you. And then that's it.
Moving on to the avocado banana conditioner. This is more like a deep conditioner that can be used in conjunction with the rice conditioner or by itself. So say for example you wanted to use a protein treatment, then you would use this rice conditioner as a pre-poo, and then you can follow it up with this conditioner at the end. Now I have my avocados, I have my 2 bananas where I can put I have some molds, so I'm going to be using these molds too, and I think that will be it. So the best way to cut this is lengthwise like that, and then you can scoop it out real easily with the spoon. Okay, I'm back. This is what it looks like when I've just mashed up 1 avocado, 2 bananas. And this to mash the avocados together, and then I'm going to add my oils into the mix, so stay tuned. Okay, so I've taken this island oil, what's little bit left of it, mixed it with this lemongrass, Jamaican black castor oil, and then I'm going to pour that in there. Okay, I'm gonna pour that in there. That's like 1/4 of a cup. And now I'm gonna mix that together. I really should put this in the blender, but I'm not, because this will be a pre-poo, something that you put on your hair first, and then you're gonna wash your hair like you wash your hair after you put this on. You put this on first, smooth this on your hair, and then you'll wash and condition your hair afterwards. So this will be like your deep conditioner. You're looking for moisture, this will be it right here. Now, I feel like we did this, right, Jace? I'm gonna take some more. I'm not gonna take the lemon, avocado and banana mixture with the oil. I filled 2 molds with that, and then I had a little extra left over. So if you don't want that much, if you don't want to mix it with that much, then you can not mix it with that much. Just use 1 avocado, 1 banana. But that's what it made, and I'll be using this for a while. I'm gonna put this in the freezer, wrap it up, and put it in the freezer so I can pop them off as I need. I'll take this water that I've made and steeped, strain it, and put it as a part of my conditioner that I've made. Like, I'll put it in this conditioner right here, or I can just put water, plain water that's been boiled, to mix it up. So I don't know what I'll do with it yet, but that's always an option. And I do that to thin out the mixture, and also that way it won't stay in the locs. So I might show you that as my last step, to mix that in and strain it out so I can use it as its own thing. Okay, so I'll be back. Hey guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like the content, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll be able to provide you with quality videos every week. And you'll hit the notification bell, of course, so that you'll know when I'm sending those videos. Also, if you like to see more of our shenanigans and tomfoolery, you can look on YouTube. I'm already on YouTube. Hello, already on YouTube, but what I mean is, you go to Instagram under TheWookie Natural and my Facebook group at TheWookie Natural. Okay, until next time,